stating that everything that you're about to hear is actual, factual, and happening now. IntelliTrader has been 7 years in the making. Its concepts are time-tested and proven winners. I could name several successful, network marketing programs from the past 20 years, and, we'd all have to agree that all of them had, exclusive timing products, and most of them had incredible compensation plans that were designed to make people money. But no one has seen anything like what we've unleashed. IntelliTrader has thrown open its doors to the world. We had a criteria in the model that would become IntelliTrader. The company had to be, they had to underpromise and overdeliver. Its appeal had to be massive. It needed to be promoted and utilized globally. It needed to be available for everyone, be profitable for the expert as well as the novice, and most of all, it needed to be able to produce serious incomes. IntelliTrader already demonstrated all the criteria that we set up for it and much, much more. Matter of fact, we have IntelliTrader affiliates earning amazing incomes in record times. We have novice and seasoned networkers that have already earned $7,000, $10,000, $12,000 in as little as 3 days. And that's just the beginning of great things to come. We anticipate that soon they'll be earning that and more daily. And listen to this. At the same time, when IntelliTrader was going through its 6-week pre-launch, the markets were going crazy. The financial world was experiencing major losses in the markets. And, it's one thing to think that your software can handle any type of market move, but it's another thing to experience that it could. And watch it come out of its trades unscathed. IntelliTrader triumphed over the worst conditions that the market could ever throw at it. We believe we stand alone as the elite network marketing company of the 21st century. Billionaires like George Soros and Warren Buffett had made fortunes in currencies, $1 billion in a day. This is the market where George Soros made over $1 billion in a single day. This is also when super investor Warren Buffett piled up $294 million in just a single quarter. Folks, there's never been a time more profitable and exciting than today to be involved in the Forex market. The Forex has an average daily volume of $2 to $3 trillion, making it 200 times larger than the New York Stock Exchange. Created in 1978 when the entire world adapted a free-floating currency exchange rate among all the currencies globally, enabling them to trade and speculate on the changing values. The Forex is the market for various currencies. It is the core of global trade. It's active 24 hours a day. It has no central location or exchange. It's a global electronic network of banks and traders trading one currency for another in every financial center in the world. Now, whether you're a novice or experienced, the Forex has the potential of making you wealthy now. So, without any further delay, I'd like to introduce IntelliTrader's international software trainer, Michael Jr. Michael, over to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Dad. And, first off, what I'd like to do is explain why we so strongly believe that, we have the finest automated trading concept and why we're so excited. And really, ladies and gentlemen, basically, we were introduced to the foreign exchange currency market, also known as the Forex, back in the year 2000. And, we found that trading the Forex, became pretty exciting, very time-consuming, and at times quite challenging. And, over the years, we've, tried a lot of different trading programs, a lot of different strategies, some automated systems, some not, some good, some not so good. And, we even wrote a couple of our own programs and whatnot. And then most recently, we discovered that missing component, which we believe seems to be nothing short of spectacular. And, even though we consider ourselves to be, seasoned traders that at times, can turn out aggressively 3 to 5% a day, with this IntelliTrader complete software solution, we don't feel as if we're missing out on anything if, we choose to just set it and then forget it. And that's what's so great about the IntelliTrader is it consistently makes profits for us. We no longer have to sit in front of our computers for hours and hours to take advantage of this nearly $3 trillion a day Forex market. We absolutely love the IntelliTrader, and, we recommend it to anyone who already trades, or, we definitely recommend it to anyone that has zero trading experience and would love to take advantage of the FX market's liquidity. And, as for that novice trader, that individual that knows nothing about trading, they can easily apply this solution that generates, very conservatively speaking, 3 to 5% a month. And, for me, that speaks volume, because I've, as I mentioned, been trading since the year 2000, and, I've doubled my accounts many months in a row. I've seen the Ferraris fall out of the sky, but I also know what it's like to blow out a few accounts. What good is a system that can make you money but can't protect your money? And, that's why we believe here that, trading the currency market is definitely a marathon and not a sprint. So for everyone, this is just a really simple way to, capitalize on the market's potential, and most importantly, it's geared not to lose. And in my book, when you don't lose, you definitely win. So, what's the IntelliTrader, and what sets this automated solution apart from everything else out there, and, why are we so excited? Well, basically, as I've touched on and mentioned, we've dealt with many systems, strategies, programs, and whatnot, and, all of them always have been focused on taking advantage of either a trending market or a range-bound market. And what I mean is, there's a lot of opportunities to make money in a trending market, and there's a lot of opportunities to make money in a ranging market, but there's always that present risk that those markets will eventually transition from one to the other. And it's that transition that makes trading, any market for that matter, a very involved and risky business. And that's what sets the IntelliTrader apart, is that it greatly takes advantage of that transition, from that ranging market to that trending market, and, offers that, that safety net that no other program, system, or, concept can offer. For a lack of a better term, the IntelliTrader utilizes a very unique hedging concept, that naturally performs as a built-in safety device. Because, as a lot of some currencies can and will move hundreds of pips in a short time. So it's important to trade, with our correlating strategies that will ultimately create, that natural hedge protection. It's that type of construct that can handle any unforeseen disaster or even that ever-lingering transition period. And, for anyone that doesn't know the markets at a professional level, the Achilles heel of every trader is that transition between a trending market and a range-bound market. It's a third dimension of the market that isn't taught or addressed, and most traders are completely oblivious to it. And that's what sets the IntelliTrader apart, is that it's a bridge that makes setting it and forgetting it a true reality. And that's why we're so excited, because we know that if anyone, even someone knows nothing about trading, plugs into this complete solution and uses it as it's designed to be used, they'll find results that meet or exceed, any reasonable expectation. Yeah, I've never seen a program, a trading strategy, a piece of software, or some internet Forex guru address that transition until now. This is the only trading solution that has that built-in safety net. And to simply illustrate, let's go and review a few IntelliTrader charts. And as you can see, two of our detailed account statements, they're conservative accounts, and, we've been testing different accounts and settings so that, we can implement duplicatable strategies that will produce, prosperous results even for that novice that wants to grow their account with minimal risk. And this first chart here shows a 130-day statement with an ROI of 157%. It started with $10,000 and was reported out at $15,790. And then this next chart shows a 115-day statement with an ROI of 189%. It started at $100,000 and was reported out at $189,248. And these two charts here are just a few examples of what the IntelliTrader can do on a more conservative basis of just setting it up and forgetting it.